Quant Army, if you want to make life-changing gains in crypto, if you want to see financial freedom, if you want to be a part of the greatest wealth transfer in history, you have to invest in projects with real utility, real use case, and projects that will make it here in the long term. Projects that can rival these past massive oligarch type companies like Alphabets, like the Apple, Amazons, Metas of the world, right? And that's what we see here with Quant. I'm telling you guys, this is a massive project. Majority of people that tune into my channel hold Quant, and I said, man, you know, I'm gonna trust my viewers. I know my viewers are extremely intelligent, some of the smartest investors that I know, and if they're so bullish on Quant, well, guess what? I can't let this project I can't just ignore this project. We have a video from the official Quant network that we're gonna dive into. If you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything, because we're gonna dive deep like we always do, man. Quant network. Most banks' key management systems are unsustainable for a blockchain. Overledger Authrorise, which we launched this week, addresses this issue by integrating with existing enterprise key management systems and seamlessly managing the signing of blockchain transactions and key generation. Just another step to make blockchain simple, trusted, and future-proof. Learn more. We're going to go through the article, but take a look at this great video here from Quant Network, guys. Let's see.
Banks and payment companies are exploring digital currencies to increase access to financial services whilst automating processes and lowering costs. Effective management of cryptographic keys and transaction signing is essential for authorization of blockchain transactions, but it remains a challenge. Existing key management solutions were not built for blockchain. Many lack the security and utility at scale needed to support millions of customers and billions of transactions.
Quant is the project for the banks. It is literally the project built for the banks to transition into the blockchain world, into the crypto world. This is so great and massive stuff.
Overledger Authrorise from Quant.
Oh my gosh.
And utility at scale needed to support millions of customers and billions of transactions. Overledger Authrorise from Quant provides central bank grade key management for large-scale authorizations on multiple networks. Using flexible APIs, Authrorise integrates with existing identity management, anti-fraud engines and AI models to authenticate and sign transaction requests. Keys can be generated and stored automatically in proprietary or third-party vaults.
This is getting me so hype. Quant Army, this is making me so hype and excited for this project, man. I'm not too late. I think, you know, right now is a great DCA opportunity for Quant. You know, long term, I think this is going to be a massive project just for what the goal and the vision of the project is, man. Overledger Authrorise, helping with KPIs, keys, security, automatically storing, you know, the keys that are generated. Like, this is great and insane to see, man.
Stored automatically in proprietary or third-party vaults. Once signed, transactions are passed to any supporting blockchain through Overledger, allowing seamless payments, transfers, and other transactions to major blockchains.
You hear that? Seamless. From transfers to other blockchains, making it convenient and seamless. This is what, you know, again, a lot of people in the banking sector, a lot of people of the, you know, in officials in the government system, etc., they're a little bit up in age, right? So, you know, convincing them these technologies are the future is gonna be tough. But when you make it a very simple, easy, seamless, convenient way for them to transition, they're gonna love that, and they're gonna love a project like Quant.
And other transactions to major blockchains. Developers no longer need to code specific cryptographic interfaces to connect every blockchain and key store to every internal system. Authrorise does it all. With Overledger Authrorise, financial institutions and developers can securely overcome the hurdles of key management and bring authentication to the blockchain era. Talk to us and discover Authrorise for your business.
That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. And it started to rain in the background, man. Showers of blessings for the Quant army. That's pretty much what it is, man. Look at
Talk to us and discover Authrorise for your business.
Overledger Authrorise. That is awesome to see, Quant army. That is such a professionally made video that I'm sure the institutions, the banks, all of these massive companies will be integrating Quant, man, using Quant for what it has to offer. From Lord Quantonian, so Quant Network has solved interoperability and key management. I'm not sure which is more impressive, and they've proven it works for the central bank grade infrastructure. Wizards at work, man. Once again, I really hope you're paying attention, Quant. Overledger, these are very real issues for scalability and adoption. If you do need a blockchain, be aware. Architecture and design cannot be hand waved away. There's no one-size-fits-all ledger data format and standards as for how to create the data payload that is written to a ledger are critical to interoperability across blockchain implementations. Immutability of records combined with encryption as a privacy tool is gated by the reality that encryption has a time to live which will eventually run out. Distributed key management is not a solved problem but needs to be for scalable deployment, which Quant Network has solved. Smart contracts are relatively immature and the contract execution environment must balance the security needs of the node with providing a richer, more error-prone language. And we've seen it created through Quant. Seamless integrations with interoperability through different blockchains. Massive stuff. From Construction Trader, great article here on Quant Overledger Authrorise. Let's take a look. Okay, so Quant launches Overledger Authrorise blockchain-based transaction for banks. Blockchain technology is the potential to revolutionize banking, but we cannot unlock its true potential without robust and future-proof solutions for cryptographic key management and transaction authorization. Quant, a pioneering force in the blockchain for finance, has unveiled Overledger Authrorise, a game-changing solution to fortify the security of blockchain-based transactions for banks and financial institutions. This technology aims to bridge the gaps between traditional key management systems and the unique security demands of blockchain and digital assets. Future-proof solutions for cryptographic key management and transaction authorization. Some organizations have resorted to risky measurements such as storing blockchain keys on employee laptops. Overledger Authrorise seeks to mitigate these challenges, enabling institutions to integrate digital asset and blockchain private keys into their existing enterprise key management systems seamlessly. The technology has already proven its mettle in Project Rosalind, a high-profile central bank digital currency experiment led by the Bank of England. What? Project Rosalind. Oh my gosh, you gotta look into that. And the Bank for Institutional Settlements, the BIS, right? Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize banking. Stated, this is where, okay, so with robust future-proof solutions, this is where Overledger Authrorise comes in. From Gilbert Verdian, founder and CEO of Quant. In the blockchain landscape, a private key serves a purpose analogous to a password used for transaction authorization and validation, connecting traditional key systems to blockchain infrastructure. Has been a monumental challenge, primarily due to their incompatibility. Connecting traditional key management system to blockchain infrastructures, Overledger Authrorise resolves this issue by interfacing with existing enterprise key management systems to manage the signing of blockchain transactions and key generation securely. When a business application or workflow initiates or validates a transaction, Authrorise orchestrates that needed authentication and authorization steps, interfacing with existing key management systems to securely transmit the transaction to its blockchain destination. I can't even highlight properly. This is so bullish. Gilbert Verdian, that man Gil is a genius, and he's gonna send us to the moon. This technological breakthrough addresses some of the most pressing concerns in the banking and finance sector, such as cyber attacks, user management, and other technical risks associated with transaction signing. With Overledger Authorized, Quant aims to provide financial industry seamless transaction to blockchain technology, upholding the security and convenience that traditional banking transactions demand. Quant Army, I hope you guys saw this and are just as hype and bullish as I am. This is massive stuff. Overledger Authorize is a thing of the future, man. It's a thing of beauty. This is absolutely massive for Quant. I'm just more and more bullish on Quant, and I see the vision. I see where this project is going. Is this project gonna be one of the few projects that really is utilized from the previous Federal Reserve banking system, and utilized, just like how there was the previous financial sector. Will Quant be that project to be utilized in this new financial sector that we're seeing develop right before our eyes? I think so. Quant Army, let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.